Hi friends, I'm Kartik and today I'm going to show you how to make a world trip info app. So let's start. So firstly I'm going to show you all the designing. So I'm going to go to design. Just a minute. Yes. So this is the first screen. Here I have added a label and one button. And now the next screen. Screen 2. And here I've added a label, one more label right here, one more label, one more label, and one more label. And right here, I've also added one more thing. This is a button which you can see right here. And now here, I'm going to just label. Yes. So it is like when you will click on this button, here actually I've added two buttons. One is this one. Let me know location 5 and 0. Okay, now when I will hide this, now it is hidden. Now here, this is button 39. So when you will click on it, then this, the grayish label will disappear and this will also disappear. And this button will also disappear because here you can see that there is not just one button, there are two buttons. When you click on this one, then these three things become visible, and when you click on this one, then these three things become invisible. So I'm going to put it back at its place. Yes, its location was 5 and 0. Now I'm going to make it hidden again. Hidden. And this also hidden. Now here in a text label, I'm going to select this one in which I have written Scotland. Select. Okay. So I forgot to tell you one more thing. This one is one more label. See, I'm just going to make it visible. This is also a bit of blackish right here. And then in screen number 3, like you have clicked on Switzerland, so you will be taken to this screen. And I've named four of the famous cities located in that area, like Zurich, Zermatt, Geneva, and Bern in Switzerland. And in some of the places, I have also written what are they famous for. Like Geneva is famous for diplomacy and banking, Zermatt for climbing and hiking, and Zurich for banking and finance. Now, same thing for the others also. This screen number 3, 4, this is of England, 5 for Malaysia, and 6th, wait, yes, the 6th one for Scotland. Now, like I had searched for Switzerland. Wait a minute, Switzerland. Yes, so I clicked on Switzerland. So I'm on this screen. Now I want to know more about the city Zurich. So I'll click right here in this white space, and then I will be redirected to screen 7. And here you will get a little bit of information about the city, like the city of Zurich, a global center for banking and finance, lies at the north end of Lake Zurich in northern Switzerland, like this. Now, same thing for others also. So, this was already decided. The other cities also have the same type of designing. And here, one more new thing I have added. So, I'm going to show you how to do one new thing. I will go to screen number 2. And like here you have selected this, I'll make it visible. Like how to means whenever you give a color to any label or anything, then the things which are behind it means they are not shown only because the color is way too dark. So here I have done this thing in the background color. Click on this and then select your color, and then using this you can change its transparency, like this it is, and then you can make it lighter. You will keep on increasing the transparency, then see, now it is fully transparent right now, and now it is not transparent at all. So this is how we do it. I'm going to take just normal 43, 46. Same thing I have done for the text labels in the cities also. The same thing. Now I'm going to show you all the coding. So I've already done the coding also here. So let's start from screen number 1. So order in button 1, set screen 2. So let's go to screen 2 now. Means this code means that when button 1 will be clicked, then redirect the user to screen number 2. Now when button 2 click, show element means this is the button. When it will be clicked, then all these things right here will be shown. And just ignore this show element radio button 1, hide element radio button 1. Just ignore it because it is not there in our code only. So right here, hide element. For hiding, you are clicking on button number 31. And then the same, not exactly the same, like when you will click on this Switzerland image, then you will go to screen 3, England to screen 4, and same with Malaysia to screen 5, and Scotland to screen number 6. Now we go to screen number 3, which is Switzerland. So it is like when you will click on this button 4. So this one is a button right here. This white thing is a button. This is an image of the city. This is what it is famous for, and this is its name. So when you will click on this button, then you will be redirected to the screen where its information is there. Like when you will click on it, then you will go to screen number 7, and you will get the information about Zurich. Same thing for the others also, like Zermatt or Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, right here, and the same code for every screen. Now the code for this thing, ornament button 31. So I've coded for these are the last. So I'm going to scroll down. Right. So ornament button 31 set string 2. So you can do anything. Like you can choose that when you will click on this back button, then you will go back to the screen of the country in which it is located. Like when you clicked on this, then you got to Malaysia, or you want to do it like when you will click on that back button which was right there, you will go to the screen number 2 where you can choose another country to go in. And there's one more screen. When you click on this notifications label right here, then you will be redirected to screen number 23. This is the screen. So now I'm going to run it and show it to you. So I'll click on run. Now I'm going to click on start. Wait a minute, let me reset it. I've done one thing wrong. I forgot to hide this label right here. So I'm going to go to design, go to screen number 2, and right here I'll select this and hide. Now let's run it. I'm going to click on run again. Now I'm going to start. Wait a minute. It resetted it. Yes, now I'm going to click on start. Now here on the screen I have 4 options. So firstly I'm going to show you this menu. I'm going to click on it. This menu appears right here. Now I can click on notifications, go to your notification screen. I can come back. Just a minute. Yes, now I can click on this button again and it will be hidden. Now I will show you of no, I want to go to Scotland, the famous destinations of Scotland. I want to see them. So I'm going to click on Scotland. Sorry. So I clicked on Glasgow and this is the city. Now I can go somewhere else like England. Now I can go to London, Oxford, Windsor or Gateshead. So I want some historic sites. So I'm going to go to London because it is famous for its historic sites. So here I get long note on London, like London, the capital of England and the United Kingdom, is a 21st century city with a history stretching back to Roman times. As its center stand the imposing Houses of Parliament, the iconic Big Ben clock tower, and Westminster Abbey, site of British monarch coronations. Across the Thames River, the London Eye observation wheel provides panoramic views of the South Bank Cultural Complex and the entire city. So this was a very long note on London. You can make it shorter also. You can write anything right here. So you can also rename it and also share it. So this was how we make a world trip info app. Thank you. Bye. Hope you